Dora, Dora, Dora!
Boots! I'm so happy you came all the way to Playa Verde to visit me. Uh-oh, is something wrong? ¿Qué pasa?
It's backpack and map! I lost them!
Where was the last place you saw them?
In the rainforest!
Bueno, then let's go back to the rainforest. ¡Vámonos! This is the map app where you can pick your locations and play. Collect charms in each location to add to our charm bracelet. Be on the lookout, they're tricky to find. Let's go! So, Boots, where did you last see Backpack and Map?
I was on my way to the river, and I just put Backpack down for a second and Swiper took her!
Well, then we have to find Swiper.
Look, Dora! Bananas! They must have fallen out of Backpack!
Let's pick them up. I bet they'll help us find her. Vámonos, let's go! Tap while running so we can see. Excelente! Dope way to go! Collect all the bananas. Follow that fox. Una estrella, the shining star charm. All right. Whoa! Vamos! Swinging into action! Big red chicken! Nice to see you again, big guy. Thanks, Boots. Swing me higher and... Whee! Mira! Hang on! Whee! Hang on! The Fiesta Trio! Magnifico! Vamos! There, Swiper! We need to catch up to him! All right! Swinging into action! Look at us go! Vamos! Un gato, the cat charm! Meow! All right! Look at us go! Thanks, Boots! Whee! Hang on! Mira! Whee! Mira! The Fiesta Trio! Magnifico! Look at us go! Swinging into action! Vamos! Whoa! It's the grumpy old troll! Swinging into action! Vamos! Perfecto! We found the rubber duck charm! Look at us go! Vamos! Thanks, Boots! Swing me higher and hang on! Mira! Whee! Thanks, Mira! The Fiesta Trio! Magnifico! Fantastico! We caught up to Swiper! Swiper, why were you running away?
I swiped backpack and map. I did it! I did it!
It's good you told us, Swiper. Now, where did you hide them?
That's just it. Before I could hide them, a big wind came and it blew backpack and map into the air.
Swiper, you can't just run away. We've got to find backpack and map, right?
Come on, let's go find them.
Fantastico! We made it through the rainforest trees. Run through them again to find even more charms. Look at the charms and the backpack items we collected. Play here again to get even more charms. Or now we have to go through the Flowery Garden to get to backpack and map.
Looks like some of the magic seeds backpack was carrying fell out.
Then that's what we should follow to find backpack and map. We can pick up the seeds along the way. Vámonos! Let's go find backpack! And Swiper, thanks for your help. Now we have to go through the Flowery Garden to get to backpack and map. Whee! Whee! We're doing great! Here we go! We're doing great! Hi, Isa! Hi, Bud! Jump and grab the ladder above. Now tilt your screen back and forth. Collect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The Fiesta Trio! Magnifico! We're on our way, backpack! Whee! Excellent! Whee! Here we go! We're on our way, backpack! Whee! We're doing great! Whee! Excelente! We're doing great! Here we go! Jump and grab the ladder above. Now tilt 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. The Fiesta Trio! Magnifico! Hey, Kate! We're doing great! Whee! Whee! Una culebra! A charming snake charm! We're on our way, backpack! Excelente! Whee! Whee! Jump and grab the ladder above. Now tilt your screen 1, 2. One hand at 3. 4. The Fiesta Trio. Magnífico. Un unicornio. The magical unicorn charm. We're doing great! Here we go! We're doing great! ¡Excelente! Whee! Here we go! Whee! ¡Excelente! We found backpack and map! Mochila, mapa, you're safe!
Uh-oh! There's a big hole in backpack. Is she gonna be okay?
No te preocupes, Boots. Kate can help me fix backpack with her sewing machine. Come on, we've got to get back to Playa Verde, and quick! Muy bien! We got through the Flowery Garden. Let's explore it again to find the rest of the charms. Look at the charms and the backpack items we collected. Play here again to get even more charms. Or go back to Map app to pick another place to explore.